Hospital officials today confirmed the first fatality in the continuing racial unrest plaguing French cities. A 60-year-old Parisian man died from injuries he received on Friday. France has now seen an escalation in the violence, which first erupted 11 days ago, with rioters in Paris shooting and wounding police officers. The hardest hit provincial areas were Marseille, Saint-Étienne, Toulouse, where reports say further rioting is taking place tonight, Metz and Lille. But it was the Parisian suburb of Grigny that again suffered the worst of the violence. Lucy Manning has this report from Grigny, where tonight more violence is expected.
There will be no no-go areas, said the French government. But last night, Godine in northern Paris was one area no one, not even the police, wanted to go to. A crowd of 200 hooded youths lured police into the housing estate and attacked them. Shots were fired from pellet guns. 10 officers were injured, 2 seriously, 1 after being shot in the neck. This was the most serious rioting since the violence began. Youths taking on the police in running battles.
It's very, very dangerous, and there are many policemen are injured.
Do you have control? Are the police are in control?
The police has the control, but it's very, very difficult.
The streets were littered with tear gas canisters. Their orders are to regain order on the streets, but in Paris, as in Marseille, Saint-Étienne, Toulouse and Lille, the rioters still have the upper hand. By day, the deprivation on this estate is obvious. The mainly immigrant community have little prospects. The youths stand on the street corner showing each other the mobile phone pictures they took of last night's riots. There is no fighting here on the streets now, but there is discussion, there is argument, and they are angry. They are angry that they don't feel French, they are angry at the government and at the police, who they say are provoking them.
Maybe I have a paper French, but I don't think I'm a French people. But because they think we are not French. I'm French. I have the paper French, but when you go to the police station, you're not French.